Hi guys, welcome back to Tracup. Improving our customers' work efficiency and user experience is always our prime goal of developing. This week, our IT team upgraded some feature in dashboard to help our clients hold a better view of the massive amount of tasks from time, task portion, members, task progress, and other fields of analyze. So what is dashboard? Dashboard was the old overview in Tracup. Now, the Tracup team has added much more statistical tools for our users to analyze their work in Tracup. The whole dashboard section can be divided into 9 sections: feature, efficiency, type, status, priority, module, version, creator, and assigning. Our old clients might notice that most of them are our default custom fields. Therefore, it will be much easier and more accessible for our clients of using this new dashboard update. So each of the sections will have 1 to 7 different statistical tools, such as the pie bars, timeline, task burden chart, and any other types of bars. You can apply any of them that is suitable for your situation. As you can see, we have selected all of the widgets to show you what can this dashboard do. So you can see we have project activities that one of our members add other members to this project. And we have project members that will show all of your participants. And also we have an overview report, gives you the task count. We have 60 tasks in here, and we have 60 unassigned tasks. And also you can see there's completed tasks, completed on time, overdue, expired today, and expired tasks. Also you can see the status statistics, such as how much percentage is the finished tasks. And in here you can check each task count. Also you will see average time to complete the task and the project information. There are all kinds of statistical tools that you can discover. Then I'm gonna introduce another important feature of this dashboard view. You can edit any of the widgets. For example, you can drag and drop any of the widgets to change the order. For example, you don't want to call it overview report, so maybe you can name it like overview statistics. You can choose any of the name you want. And there's another important and probably the funniest feature, is that you can change the size of each bar. It will automatically change the size and the percentage. Therefore, you can create your own customized task view. You can change the size of any widgets to create your own customized dashboard view. And this is all the new features about our dashboard. Come and discover by yourself. Now I'm going to introduce another important update this week. It's about our blog web page. Some people would notice that there's 5 new buttons on the left part of each blog. The top 3 is the main social media platforms that you can share our blog just by one click, such as you want to share via Twitter, just click the Twitter icon and it will automatically create the post and you can just tweet it. Or if you think those 3 platforms cannot satisfy your need, you can click the 4th icon that says copy link, and then you can go to any of the social media platform you want and paste our blog link. The 5th one is that you can print out our blog for future use. Let's see, if you want to make a guidebook about Tracup to your new employees, this is the right feature that you want to use. You can print out some of our new feature page and staple them into a small guidebook and let the new employees learn it. This is all the updates our IT team worked on by this week. I hope you will enjoy these new features, and I will see you next week. Bye.